Hey everyone! Today we're diving into setting up a Next.js blog with Outstatic, and we're going to deploy on Vercel. It's only going to take us about 5 minutes. I'm Andre, and I created Outstatic. So Outstatic is a tool that lets you create, edit, and save content. It commits everything automatically to your repository, and your website gets updated. No more hassle with databases or complex setups. Whether you're building a blog, a portfolio site, or even documentation for your project, Outstatic has everything you need with a dashboard that makes managing your content super easy. I'll walk you through the whole process. By the end of this, you'll have your own Next.js blog up and running. Ready to get started? Let's jump right in. Go to outstatic.com and then click on Get Started. You're going to be taken to the documentation. We'll need to set up GitHub Authentication. For that, let's go register a new auth application by clicking here. Give your application a name. Then, add a valid URL to the homepage URL. You can copy and paste the same value to the authorization callback URL. Click on Register New Application. Head back to the documentation, scroll down, and find the Deploy with Vercel button. Click on it. You'll be taken to the Deploy with Vercel dashboard, and you can create your GitHub repository. Give it a name and click on Create. Once the repository is created, you'll be prompted to add a few environment variables. Let's go back to GitHub. Copy the client ID and paste it in the first field. Go back to GitHub. Click on Generate a new client secret. Copy the secret key into your second field. And the third one is just a random long string. Click on Deploy. This is going to take about 2 minutes. I'll fast forward the video. Alright, so now we have a blog deployed with Vercel that uses Outstatic as its CMS. You see we have posts, projects, and to access the admin dashboard, just go to the URL bar and type /Outstatic. You're going to be taken to the login page for Outstatic, but there's one last step that we need to take. Copy the page URL without the Outstatic, go back to GitHub, and go to the authorization callback URL, paste it there, and complete the URL with a /API/Outstatic/callback. And that's it. You can click on Update Application, head back to the Outstatic login, click on Sign in with GitHub, and there you go. Your full-featured CMS, where you can create collections, add posts, create new posts. You have a full content editor. You can add a title to your blog post. You can type / for commands with a Notion-style content editor. And when you're done, just change the status of your post to published and click on Save. This will trigger a deploy on Vercel, and your site will be updated with the new content. And there you have it, your very own Next.js blog powered by Outstatic, all set up and running on Vercel. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and subscribe if you want. And if you use GitHub, giving the Outstatic project a star would be really nice. Got any questions or want to show off your project? Write a comment below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.